Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool called Revision History. It's a tool that helps you more efficiently access the history of a Google Doc in a way that can be a little bit easier to manage as a teacher, especially when you have to look at a lot of document histories. So here's how it works. You go to revisionhistory.com and go to Get It on the Chrome Store, and then you add the extension. I've already got mine added, but you wouldn't know by looking at my Google Doc. Here's the deal. Once you have it activated, you have this little pen, or that, it's like a little feather, you know, the old-fashioned pen that shows up in the upper corner. And when you click it, it gives you this beige taskbar. And this taskbar takes your user history, same user history that you'd normally have, and instead of having to click through step by step by step to see each change, you have that whole history kind of categorized by deletions, copy and paste, and writing sessions. So deletions, basically when you go in and you delete content, okay, so that kind of thing. And it takes a little bit for it to kick in. I didn't delete it permanently, but you get the idea. Large copy and paste, where you take big chunks of text, and the help detail says that it needs to be at least 20 or more words or 150 or more characters. Okay, so you have that. And then the number of writing sessions. Writing sessions are each time a user goes in and modifies a document. And if a user is doing that, and say you have a tab open, you go off to another class and you haven't used it for a while, and then you come back to that same tab, that second time when you come back counts as another session. So anytime there's a break that's more than 5 minutes long, it counts as a new session, even if you haven't closed the doc. So you have those pieces, and if you go to details, you can also see it on the side. Now keep in mind, this is a short document, and as it says, I was only in it for 2.5 minutes. So you don't see a lot of information over here, but you can see the drafting process. So if I click on that, and then I click my play button, it shows you that I started out with a paste. So you can, if I go back here, or pause it and then go back, you can see right at the beginning, it goes from nothing to something. So obviously I copied and pasted a big chunk of text. And then you can see each revision as I made it. Now, if you don't want to watch it in slow motion, you can go up to 8 speed and get it all really quickly. Now, of course, with a short document, not terribly useful, but it gives you a starting point. Now, if you're in a longer document, this is something that has been active for most of the school year. This had 218 different deletions, no large copy and paste, 35 different writing sessions, and a total of 1 hour, 33 minutes, and 22 seconds. If I look at the details, you'll see a whole list of different writing sessions. Sometimes you'll see something that says, you know, show more, but you can see each one and how long each one was. And again, no large copy and paste. And then you can also see that drafting process here. And of course, this one, because it's been around for a while, might want to make it go on 8 speed. You can zoom ahead, go a little bit further. Okay. See what it looks like later. You might notice the formatting didn't come with it. Now this document has tables and things. This tool does not like those features. So you might notice when you're watching that revision history that it's going to look kind of weird because I had tables, I had other content. So do keep that in mind as well. Anyway, this tool might be super helpful for you if you're somebody who has to go through a lot of different histories in Google Docs. Again, it shows you things like deletions, large copies and pastes, how many writing sessions, and how long a user's been active in a document. I hope this is helpful.